Hi, I'm Kees Romkes. I'm responsible for the customer journey here at Oply. You're watching the newest app release video for Android. Please enjoy. Let's take a look at how the Oply app has improved over the last version. On Android, we've been doing quite a bit of stuff. I think one of the most important things you'll notice is whenever you launch the app first time, we actually updated all the screens that you will see when you first launch the app. So there are these screens. So choose an Oply for your trip. That every Oply has its own. Pick up the car in the neighborhood. It also needs to go back there. And the pricing that we have. Yeah, that should just put our users in a good spot to start using Oply. Go to the map. And he will ask, of course, for the locations access. So we don't do that anymore on the first app launch. And yeah, there you see. We are now in Oply territory. Location was not quite correct at that point. But yeah, here we go. Of course now, here are Oply. Of course I need to log in. So I'll log in. And now I'm logged in. Now of course, because this is the first time I've launched the app, it will also tell you again what's going on. Differences between Flex and Plan, of course. And every car is its own once more. So people shouldn't forget. Now, since I already have a login and everything and I know how this works, we will book an Oply right now. And just before we do that, I will turn off Bluetooth because, well, not everyone has this enabled standard. And we also changed this a little bit for our app. So whenever you press a reserve now and you actually need a car, only then we will ask you to turn on Bluetooth. So that changed a lot. I mean, we had a lot of complaints from customers on why do you need Bluetooth whenever I start the app and blah, blah, blah. So we'll only ask this for whenever a person actually needs Bluetooth. Which is, well, whenever you want to start the Oply, of course. You can enter a voucher code if you want, but let's not do that now. So yeah, here we go. Time is running and it's time to unlock. So we unlock the Oply. It's open. As you can see, I can actually open it. And yeah, then you can see that we have these new onboarding screens, which will show you that up close and personal now. So let's take a look at how that onboarding looks like. So what we'll do is present you this screen first. So we're explaining here that every Oply has a home. As you might know, as most often Oply user, you will have to pick up the car and bring it back pretty much in the same area or neighborhood that we have. So that's what we try to explain in the first screen. The next one is about refueling the car. So since everyone is using the car, you're also responsible to keep it refueled. There's actually a PIN card in the car that will help you to refuel, so you don't have to pay it yourself. Just be aware that you can only do this at certain gas stations. And yeah, give back to the community, meaning that just the way you got the car, also give it back like that. So just clean out your trash, make sure it's clean. If you bring a dog, then don't leave any dog. And yeah, always check the damage before you start, so we don't have any confusion in the back, like was it you that created this damage or was it someone else doing this? And when you're ready to start, you'll be put into the damage screen that I'll show you right now again in real life. Here we can see this car already has 2 damages, so we need to check this. The driver door seems to be scratched and the raadkappen failed. Now, nothing's wrong with this car. Just walk around it, see what happens. And yeah, you can actually do this while the car's already open. So let's say you're in winter or somewhere where it's deeply raining. You don't actually have to check the car before you can actually open the car. I mean, it's a very conscious decision that we did here. I've seen this, and of course I can then also check if there's any damages inside. Let's say something is wrong, then I can report the new damage, which will put us in call screen. You can actually call our customer care. And of course, they will add this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was useful and it will give you an even better Oply experience. We'll be continuously developing Oply from here in Berlin. And if you'd like to join us, well, feel free to look at the career page. Thank you very much, Aman, for joining our team. You've been really helpful in improving our UX and UI. I'm looking forward to working more with you. And for you, if you have any questions or comments, leave them here in the comments below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up as well and subscribe if you'd like. Or give me a tweet or Instagram message at Kees Romkes. Just put it down here for you to leave whatever you'd like. Thank you. See you soon.